we have a spaceship A moving away from Earth at speed of 0.4 c. So let's say this is the frame of reference, which is at rest. I will call it S. You have another frame of reference, S prime. So A is traveling at speed of 0.4 c away from Earth. Let's say that's A, and it's traveling at speed v. You have spaceship B. I'm gonna consider it to be the reference frame S prime. This S prime is moving away, or B is moving away at a speed of 0.5 c. I'm gonna call it U. I'm gonna call it U. I'll put it as U, and A as B. The question is, I want to find the speed of A as measured by B. So the formulas or equations in special relativity are the following. Delta x prime equal delta x minus u delta t multiplied by gamma. Those are the equations. And delta t prime equals delta t minus u delta x over c squared, again multiplied by gamma. So those are the formulas of special theory of relativity. So V, or let's say the velocity of A with respect to B is going to be delta x prime by delta t prime, how we are seeing A moving relative to B. So this V, which is delta x prime over delta t prime, will be equal, let's skip this for a while, let's divide those and then we'll see what we'll get. So you can see gamma and gamma will cancel each other, so delta x minus u delta t, and down you will have delta t minus u delta x over c squared. I'm gonna divide now by delta t. Let me divide by delta t and see what we will get. So we'll get the following. Delta x by delta t, it's simply the speed v, the speed of A relative to frame S, the Earth. So S here is the Earth. So dx by delta x by delta t is v minus u, because delta t cancels. Same thing down, 1 minus u delta x by delta t is again v over c squared. So delta x prime by delta t prime, it's v prime, which is the speed of A relative to B, or frame S prime. It is v minus u over 1 minus uv over c squared. So this is a formula. If you want, you can memorize it or derive it as I did here. Now let's substitute the value. A is moving at a speed of 0.4 c and B at 0.5 c. So this means V, speed of A with respect to Earth, 0.4 c minus 0.5 c. Again, they're asking for the speed, so if we got a negative answer, change it to positive, that's all. 1 minus 0.4 c multiplied by 0.5 c, all of those are given, over c squared. So clearly, c and c squared will cancel. Then the speed of A relative to B, or V prime, will be minus 0.1 c over 1 minus 0.4 by 0.5, it's 0.2. So it's going to be minus 0.1 over 0.8 c, which is minus 0.125 c. As a magnitude, it's going to be 0.125 c. So this is the speed of A relative to B. So that's the answer, 0.125 c. Thank you for watching.